Oh hi guys, today we are opening an iPad case and a rubbish bin. Yeah, I know this is weird because it's opening a rubbish bin, but yeah. Okay, so the iPad case comes with 3 stickers. But I don't think these stickers are that cute, so yeah, I'm just going to use mine's one in here. Okay, this is definitely not it, so yeah. Can we open it here first? Okay, now time to put it out, put the trash away. Now it's like this. Need to open it, yeah, get this out. This is the screen protector. Here, it's so cool. And here, this is used for this hole, the camera hole. I'm just going to put this away because this is special. Okay, I'm going to be like that. Okay, now I'm back. As you can see, there's a whole white. Yeah, I can see the hole. Okay, let's just put this away. Now it's like this. I'm guessing it needs to peel, so this will be as satisfying. Okay, now here, 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? Oh, okay, I know what it means. Let me find that peeling place. Wait, I might find it. Just need to. Oh, there we go. I think I've done it. Okay, so these stickers are really not that useful. So yeah. Okay. Let me just open it. Yes. There we go. Satisfying part. 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute. I'm peeling like so slow, so it's like a bit satisfying. So yeah. It's like so satisfying. So yeah. There we go. We finished the first one here. It looks so clear, so that it's good. Yeah, okay. Now for the back. And I actually bought this case is because here's a hole and you can take it out like that. So this is very useful. Let me close that first. The way. Now for the back, we need to peel. We'll peel off this sticker first, and this one first. Whoa, I just peeled the whole thing. That's nice on this one. Wait, so that means the other side here might have one, but I can't peel it somehow, so yeah, I'm going to figure out later. I'm just finding a hole. There's a small hole here, so that I can peel it off here. Oh, there we go. It's like so satisfying, so yeah. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. There we go. so clear. I like that very much, so clear. But here, the inside of here, I need to figure a way to do it when we get the sticky stuff out. I'm trying something to make that not that ugly. Yeah, it did not work absolutely. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. Or maybe put a sticker so there's like not a sticky thing. I'm going to stick it back. Like that. So basically, if you want to play anything, so yeah, you just need to take off and yeah, blah 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 like that. We do it like this, so yeah. And if you want to put it back, just like this. Okay, and this is magnet, so yeah. Like that. I'm going to add the case. Sorry. Okay, now we have 2 cases. I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah, because I don't know if this one would work. Put back in that one. Okay, it's rope. It's like absolutely so easy to stick it in like that. Oh, it's like that. So if I want to show you guys, I might need to cut this video because yeah, this is not really, yeah, okay. Anyways, because I'm using the iPad to take it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to put it later. So yeah, I might just going to decorate it first. Okay. And my bowl of stickers. I've already find some cute one yesterday. So yeah, these 2. And then I want this one. I know it's like cute, but I don't really like this character. Sorry. Now for the melody. This is cute. So yeah, I'm just going to keep it. Now a cinnamon roll. That's cute. Okay, now we have Lulu Pig eating burgers. 3 stars. We have 3 kind of 2 stars. And these 2. So yeah. We have more 2 star things. We have these 3 more. That is 2 stars. Okay. Like that. So yeah. And then lastly, another Lulu Pig. I'm just going to keep it up for myself for these stickers. So yeah, I'm going to start sticking it. First, I need to set the camera. So yeah, I'm just figuring out what to put. Oh yeah, maybe like that. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Like this. So I'll just put the things out first. Okay. First, I might put like these 2 inside. So yeah, I'm going to put it away. Now I'm guessing I'm just going to take the 2 stars, peel it. Oh yeah, it's like this. So yeah. Wait, I know how to peel it now. Like this. I'm just going to put it here. This is cute. Now I'm going to use this one. Cute. Okay. Put it here. Now like here and this. Now this is cute too. This one I'm going to put it inside. So yeah, put it away first. Oh no. But if I want to put it inside, maybe like here. Or maybe in the hole here. Okay, the hole here. And you can't see my face because I'm recording it here. Yeah. Good, let's see. Okay. I'm going to peel this. This is a bit different because here I have two sides of the sticker to peel. There we go. Let's just put it maybe like here. That's nice. Get a Lulu picking. Doesn't this one? Okay, there we go. Nice. Put it like here. Okay, maybe like that for the back. Now for the front. Maybe like here I'm going to stick it. Maybe here. Okay, now let's just take it off. Like that. Put it away first. Now for the My Melody. Maybe like that. And then I'm just going to try and put the magnet. Oh look, it's like that. So yeah. I'm guessing that works. So yeah, no biggie. Like that. Oh, that can not do it. So yeah, if I stick it here, it's like still technically fine. But I can't really see it. So I'm just maybe going to put it here. Okay, I'm just going to stick it back. Okay, now here, peel it. There we go. Here. Nice. The cinnamon roll. Okay, I peeled it off already. Now maybe like here, maybe like here. Next to the My Melody. And now for these other stickers. Okay, almost there. Go. Okay. I'm just going to peel this first. Okay, there we go. Then maybe like here. And then the little twin star of Lala. Okay, like this. Over here. And then this. Now the twin star of Kiki. Okay, I'm peeling. Oh nope. But there we go. And I'm guessing I'm left with this Lulu, so I'm going to put it in here of the front. Now, I've had some change of plans, so yeah. Like that. Nice. I'm just to peel the Lulu one. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Nice. So now the front is here. Here like that. Okay. Okay, now the iPad is ready to go. Put it back in. Now let's just put it away. Oh wait, I forgot about this guy. Okay, I'm just gonna to put it maybe like here. Almost the middle. Nice. So this is now finally done. Onto the trash can. Now you can see my face. Almost like that. Let's see here. Okay. So I'm just going to open it like in here. Oh, there we go. Look it out like this. Now for here. Like this, like shape thingy. Okay, let's see. Oh, maybe it's under like the bottom. Yeah, I think like this. Oh my gosh. Oh, at least I open it. The ray. Okay, now I'm thinking it's like this. For this of a replacement, so that's nice. And it came with a bag of those bullet inside thingies. I'm going to open it because I really need to set it up. Okay, I'm just going to find it right. Okay, that's like so easy. So that's nice. And then tape it back. Looks like brand new. Put it away. Open this. Like that. And oh my gosh. Okay, now just put it in. Maybe like this, and this one. Ready. Okay. This is like a bit ugly. I'm gonna fix it. I think this is good enough. Okay, this is good enough. I'm going to put this trash in. Okay, maybe let's get some tape. Okay. Tape it a bit, cause yeah. That's okay. That's okay. As long as it's like not that ugly that I tape it into, so yeah, that's good. Almost like that. So yeah, cool. Let's put the rest of the trash in. Okay, almost like all the trash are in now. Okay, I'm going to try to put my trash into, so yeah. Okay, a few more. It's like a pretty full inside. So yeah. Oh, this is like actually so nice. Cause yeah, first it's twin stars and look at inside. I like put that much. Okay, now I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.